What's up, everyone? Welcome back. In this A1 English series, we'll practice fun exercises with the verb to be in the present simple. Let's go through some questions together. First, think about the correct answer. After a moment, I'll reveal it and explain why. Ready? Let's dive in. Take a look at this sentence. Which verb do you think fits best? The correct answer is B. My name is the singular subject, requiring the verb is. This follows the rule. Singular noun plus is. Let's move on to number 2. The correct answer is B. Where is John from? He is from the United States. In questions, the subject often follows the auxiliary verb. John is singular, and he is a third-person singular pronoun. The correct form is he is. Question 3. Take a few seconds to think. The correct answer is A. She's from Spain. In positive and negative sentences, the subject appears at the beginning. Here, she is a third-person singular subject pronoun. The correct form is she is, often contracted to she's. All right, let's move on to question 4. The correct answer is C. I am Lisa Peterson. The subject pronoun I requires the verb am for correct sentence structure. Question 5. This one is a little bit tricky. Where is the milk is a correct sentence, so A is the correct answer. Here, the milk is the subject, an uncountable noun, so we use is. Remember, uncountable nouns like milk require is for correct sentence structure. 2 more questions to go. Think for a moment. B is the correct answer. Did you get it right? You is the second-person subject pronoun, requiring the verb are. Finally, here's our last question of today's lesson. The correct answer is B. Lisa and Max are Americans. They're from the United States of America. In this case, Lisa and Max are the subjects, connected by the conjunction and forming a compound subject, noun and noun plus are. The pronoun they is third-person plural, and it follows the pattern you, we, they, plus are. Understanding the correct use of to be starts with identifying the subject. Here's a summary of what we covered today. Drop your questions in the comments. I'd love to help. If you enjoyed this lesson, let me know below. Take care, and I'll see you in the next episode.